Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today I'm going to show you how I scaled an ad account from very bad ROAS to really good ROAS, and I'm going to encourage you to watch all of the video until the end. I think it's going to compensate you. So without any further ado, let's go straight away to my PC. I'm going to show you how I scaled this ad account. I'm going to show you the results from where I took it and how much I scaled it in just 1 month, and I will see you there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So guys, I'm not going to make this video really long. I wanted to show you how this ad account actually from the 1st of June to the 30 went from actually having 3.9 results. So if we come here on the 23rd, we can see that the results is 2.43, on the 24th this, and this is where I come, and immediately it goes to 7.7, and you can see the next days some crazy results over here, and okay, on this month I went to 6 ROAS over here so far by just doing my crazy magic over here, and I was actually able to scale from 3.9 ROAS without lowering the spend. I have spent already this month 230, I'm going to spend 340 again to 6 ROAS. Yeah, it's just simple if you know what you're doing, and I will see you guys for the closing of the video. So tell me, how would you feel if I told you that all of this case study is a lie? And let me explain myself. The reason that I'm creating this video is because I want to show you that some people are lying to you on internet and you will never know the truth, okay? So it's really important for you to test whatever you're seeing for each one of us that we're doing videos, and to understand that maybe sometimes me or someone else, they're going to show you only their wins and they're not going to show you their fails or whatever. I told you several times on this channel that I have also my fails on other accounts, and sometimes I'm showing them, but as you can understand, I have to show also the things that are working. If we were going to show only things that are failing, then there's no point to actually doing all of that. I don't have a problem admitting it. The only thing that I'm looking at is to have a positive percentage of ad accounts working with me. Also, I need to point out that I'm not just taking any client. If I don't like the product, the results and all of that, and I don't believe that I cannot scale it, then I'm not taking the client. So I'm safe also on that side, being completely honest with you, because I'm working only with ad accounts that they are normal and not with crazy people. But I want you to understand that there are many people that are just going to take this, for example, and they're going to present it like they're the super goats of the industry and they have scaled this ad account and all of that. And let me tell you what happened in this ad account. This ad account, as you have seen, I was showing to you the June, and I just didn't mention that during the July, we were running a promo for the 4th of July, which has inflated completely all of the results. Now, for someone who is actually trained and they are running Facebook ads, they can understand all of that. But for someone who is not so trained and they are just desperate, or they want to find something which is going to magically solve their problems, they're going to believe that, and maybe they're going to buy a course, or they're going to buy services from someone just because they're seeing some results without being able to actually filter if this information is accurate or not. Again, I'm not going to pretend that I'm saint and I'm showing you also all of my fails, because I'm not. I'm showing you a big proportion of my wins and some of my fails. But I just want to make this video as an alarm call so that you are not going to believe whatever you see on internet. Even me. Don't believe me. Just see the things that I'm proposing, try to test them on your ad account and see if they make sense, instead of just following someone blindly just because they showed you an ad account. Because maybe they're showing you an ad account which had the promo, they're showing you an ad account which actually was working during Black Friday, they're showing you print screens of a Shopify store revenue without showing you the ads, or they're showing you just how they scaled 1 month and the other month the other account has collapsed. They're showing you Black Friday, whatever they're going to show you, or just an exceptionally good account that has actually scaled and it was the time to scale. No blueprints. don't use the same strategy in all of the other accounts. Learn Facebook ads deeper if you care about it, okay? If you're lazy and you want to learn a blueprint that's going to save you, this is your fault. But if you want to learn deeper Facebook ads, understand what you're doing, understand the different settings, the different buttons, understand in technical level how the algorithm is working, and try to do that instead of being convinced by someone who is showing you some crazy results just to follow, just because it has to work, because it worked for them. Maybe it's not going to work for you. So that's all I had for you. Sorry for bullshitting you at the start of the video, but I think that this is going to be really helpful for some of you, so that you're not going to believe any charlatan out there that they're just saying that they're crazy good, because all of us, we are failing with Facebook ads, and all of us, we have fails, and all of us, we are hunting for good ad accounts so that we can be able to scale. Because if the product is not working, there's not a single strategy that is going to make it work. I hope that you learned something from that. If you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my mentorship programs, where I'm teaching how to learn Facebook ads better, and you can see all the reviews below from the people that have actually completed the chosen 5, or they are still part of the inner circle. And until we meet again, guys, be careful, be creative, and be consistent.